5 kids electric toothbrushes enter this countdown, but only one is the general purpose pick I'd actually buy. Buying before checking age, fit and upkeep can turn brushing into daily friction. Choose by age, fit, then routine, upkeep, and budget. Number 5. Dada-tech Kids Electric Toothbrush. I'd consider this for a family wanting a low-commitment introduction to sonic brushing. That role could suit a hesitant child or parent exploring the category without chasing a complicated feature package. Its clear advantage is approachability, which keeps the buying decision focused on starting the routine. But key ownership details aren't defined, so daily use is harder to judge. That includes age, fit, power setup, and replacement heads. Skip it if you need those basics settled before checkout, because I wouldn't gamble on routine fit. Number 4. Vekkia Sonic Kids Electric Toothbrush. Got multiple brush heads on your shopping list? I'd put Vekkia ahead of Dada-tech for families prioritizing that convenience. Extra heads can reduce the immediate scramble for compatible replacements, which matters when brushing already feels like a chore. But the quantity and replacement arrangement aren't defined, so that advantage needs checking before purchase. Cleaning guidance and durability details are also unclear, making long-term ownership difficult to price out. Skip it if compatibility must be obvious from day one, because I wouldn't choose it on the extra head promise alone. Number 3. Brusheez Kids Electric Toothbrush Set. Picture a child who needs the whole routine to feel more inviting. I'd consider this set for that family, especially if a standalone brush feels too plain. The kit format is its strongest argument because it frames brushing as an activity rather than another bathroom command. But the included components aren't defined, leaving the set's practical value difficult to compare. Age, fit and daily care instructions are unclear as well. Skip it if you want a precise box inventory before buying, because I wouldn't assume every useful accessory is included. Number 2. Philips Sonicare for Kids. This is where I'd look if sonic brushing matters but budget still drives the decision. Its budget-oriented position gives it a clearer shopping role than the lower picks, so comparisons can start with affordability. That makes sense for families unsure how long a child will embrace an electric brush. But there's no current cost or detailed feature breakdown here. Charging, cleaning, and replacement head requirements also need confirmation. Skip it if your budget depends on predictable ownership costs, because I wouldn't judge value from the initial purchase alone. Number 1. Oral-B Kids Electric Toothbrush. I'd buy this for the family wanting the strongest general-purpose choice, not a specialized sonic introduction or elaborate kit. Its best overall positioning gives it the broadest role here, which is why it earns the top spot. You're choosing the straightforward default when no narrower priority outweighs everyday fit. But the exact model details, maintenance routine, and age boundaries aren't provided. Battery information and replacement head needs also require checking. Skip it if you won't choose without those specifics, because I'd confirm the exact version before bringing it home. Choose Dada-tech for a sonic introduction, Vekkia for extra heads, Brusheez for kid appeal, or Philips for budget-focused sonic brushing. Oral-B is my default when you want the broadest fit. Confirm age guidance, handle fit, power setup, cleaning steps, replacement head compatibility, and storage space. Prices and availability change, so check before you buy. I'd start with Oral-B for a straightforward family pick. Switch to Philips when budget-focused sonic brushing matters more, or Brusheez when routine engagement leads. Links are in the description.